Everyone, it's Elisa from Photobox Designs. I'm here to show you our newest template. I think it's pretty cool. I think you guys will enjoy it too. It's a senior template meant for graduating seniors, and it's actually a double template. What I decided to do was make this same template in two color options. However, this template is fully customizable and you will be able to change it up in any way that you like. But I thought it might be nice if I could give you two versions, even just to start out with, just to give you a little head start. So basically, what you'll do is when you open up this template, you'll get two PSD files. One will be bold colors and one will be pastel colors. They are the same template, they are just changed for you initially. Everything about the template, other than the colors, are pretty much the same. You'll get the same exact clip art. You'll get the same exact words. Well, actually, get different words because I changed the pastel one to have some different words. But every word on this template is editable. You can change the color. You can change the font if you want to. You could change the size. You could change the location. You could shut it off. You could change whatever you want to do. So basically, you'll open up one of the templates. You'll see that there is a layer on here already on how to use clipping masks. It's really just a general instruction. The directions don't have a screenshot of this actual template, but it gives you an idea of what and how you would use the clipping mask. Because when you click that off, you will see that this gray layer is a clipping mask, and so all you have to do is take your image and clip it to this clipping mask. Same for both templates. And the way you would do that would be to go up to File, Place Embedded. There's other ways to add photos, but this is one very good way to do it. Um, Go find the photo that you want. This is clearly not the picture I would put in here, but I'm just putting anything in right now. I'm going to resize it a little bit to fit the box better. Press OK. Make sure that this layer, this says cake layer, it is on top of what the layer that says clipping mask. If it didn't land in the right location, you can just drag it to the location that you want. Right click on it, create clipping mask, and it is now clipped in. And once you do that, you can then take your transformation tools and resize it and move it around so it fits in properly. So this template is great for seniors from high school, seniors from middle school, seniors, preschool seniors, whatever senior you like. You could change any word, really, change any name. So let me show you. So you'll have that clipping mask. The clipping mask, you also have what's called a stroke. That's the color. So if I clicked off the stroke color, if I clicked off the stroke, that is the border that goes around the mask, you'll see that there's no line now. But if you double click into the word stroke, you can go ahead, you can change the color of the stroke by just make sure you're in the stroke layer. You could change the color, or you can even click the plus sign and add another stroke, turn off the top one, and then you can change it up, press OK. And now you'll see that there are two stroke layers, one, two. All right, so that's a good way of changing around the color around your photo without doing anything major. So you'll see here that I have clip art for you. The clip art are these little pieces. There's other clip art in here too. We have like a mouth, a cup of coffee, soccer ball, um, you have these hearts, you have this cap. So it's just a few pieces of clip art that you could use, or you could turn it off. There is a guitar, and you can always add your own clip art to this template as well. You don't have to stick with any of the pieces that are here. I just sort of gave you a couple of starters. You could choose to keep them or shut them off. And like I said, you can shut off anything you don't like, and you could always go and add little bits of clip art from anything that you've purchased from somewhere else, or you can find clip art for free at websites like pexels.com. That's Pexels.com. I actually even have it as a plugin If you see on my computer, I have a plugin. It's called Pexels. If I open that up, I could look for, let's say, a ball. Let's say I want a football. Let's see what would happen here. Nope, this just shows me some pictures. But you might be able to find some clip art when you go into pexels.com. There's also Pixabay. There's plenty of websites out there that you can get some free clip art from. This is just one of them. Okay, so let's get to so we talked about the clip art. It's in a folder. I'm going to just shut the folder for now. Then we have our words. Okay, so all the words are listed. You would click on any word that you would like. You can go to the T, which is for your type tool. So I'm going to say, I'll go to 18 years old, and I want to edit that to make her 5 years. It's not even 5. 1 years old. You could edit video games. You can basically just click on, if you're on your tool, you should be able to click on the layer or just go to the layer in your layers panel. You could change the name to preschool daycare. You could change it to whatever you want. You could change this to happy time. If you click on the layer, make sure you're still in your T temp tool. You can go and change the size. You can change the color. You can even change the press OK, and you can even change the font. Okay, I provided all the fonts, links, downloads for you in the information page. When you download this template, there will be links to all the fonts that I used. Now, I didn't make these fonts. I'm not the artist for the fonts. I found them free online. I'm giving you a link to where I found them free. I cannot guarantee that they will always be free, as I'm not selling them and I'm not the creator of them, but I'm giving you the opportunity to download those fonts. However, if they're not available to you, you can always change the font to something else. You can just replace it or just change it to something that you like better. But you can go ahead and download the font from that document that I've given you. And that should make it easier. And then there's a border. You can click it on and you can click it off. And then there's a background, which is just a chalkboard background. You're going to see that it is, that this is, that this is sized at, what am I looking for now? Image size is 8 by 10, and we are in sRGB. So that's basically it. I've made you the same template, but it is with the pastel colors. Basically, I just went ahead to the template and I made some changes. I changed up some of the clip art that is also provided for you, just to give it more of a pastel look. But it is exactly, some of the words are a little bit different because I went and changed them, because it's very easy to do that. You also have a version of these hearts that are more pastel. You'll see them in the clip art. They'll say heart bottom pastel or heart darker. See how I can change that. You can also edit those. You can close them. You can make them bigger and smaller. Everything is editable. Everything is changeable. These are some starting points for you, and hopefully you'll like some of the wording and you'll just change some of the wording for yourself. That's it. That's the whole template. I hope you enjoy it. And I thank you for watching this tutorial today. Have a great day.